Every trader says they have a strategy, but give it a week and most of them abandon it. Why? Because it's not clear, it's not consistent, and there's no feedback loop. That's why so many traders end up strategy hopping, blowing accounts, and wondering if trading is even possible. In this video, I'll show you why most strategies fail and how SwiftAlgo gives you the structure to finally stick to one that works. Here's the truth. Trading isn't hard because there aren't strategies out there. You can find hundreds of them on YouTube. The problem is that most strategies don't hold up when the market shifts. One week they seem to work, the next week they fall apart. And when that happens, traders jump to the next shiny thing. This constant strategy hopping is what keeps people stuck. There's no consistency, no feedback, no way to know if the strategy actually has an edge. It's just trial and error on repeat. This is where SwiftAlgo is different. SwiftAlgo isn't just giving you signals, it's giving you structure and feedback. When a signal prints, you can check the trend bias panel for confirmation. That's your consistency filter. You're not just taking random trades, you're taking trades with momentum behind them. And then there's the win rate dashboard. This feature alone changes everything. The dashboard shows you how your current settings have actually performed on the exact market and time frame you're trading. If the numbers are strong, you know the strategy is valid right now. If not, you can switch to another backtest profile that's optimized for current conditions. That's how you stop hopping strategies. You're not guessing anymore. You're adjusting based on data. Let me show you how this looks in action. Price is trending up on euro to US dollar. SwiftAlgo prints a buy signal after a clean pullback. Normally, a trader might second guess this. Is this really the right spot? Am I too early? Too late? But with SwiftAlgo, you check the dashboard. The trend is bullish, the strength is solid, and the win rate for your current setup is above 70%. That's all the confirmation you need. You enter long and follow the automatic stop loss and take profit levels. Price rallies, hits your target, and you're out. That's a clean, confident trade. Not because you trusted your gut, but because you trusted the process. Now let's flip it for a short example. NAS 100 is trending down and SwiftAlgo prints a sell signal. Again, the dashboard confirms bearish trend, solid strength, and the win rate is solid. You take the short, set your stop, and take profit as the indicator suggests, and let it drop to your target. Once again, you're not relying on emotion. You're relying on alignment between the signal, the dashboard, and the data. That's what consistency looks like. Here's why this works so well. Trading is a feedback game. The reason most traders give up on their strategies is because they don't get enough feedback to know whether they're on the right track. With SwiftAlgo, the feedback is instant. The win rate dashboard tells you whether your configuration is profitable right now. The signals show you when opportunities align. And the automatic TPs handle exits so you're not sabotaging yourself by holding too long. That's the feedback loop that keeps you consistent. You don't need to reinvent your strategy every week. You just refine what's already working. Think about this. Every professional trader has one thing in common. They don't trade 100 different systems. They trade one with discipline over and over. The reason retail traders fail is because they never get to that point. They keep changing the rules. SwiftAlgo forces you to stop guessing. It gives you signals, confirmations, win rate data, and structured exits. All you have to do is follow it. That's how you build confidence, and that's how you finally stop strategy hopping and start compounding. So here's my challenge to you. If you've been bouncing between strategies and never seeing progress, put SwiftAlgo on your chart. Pick one setup, trend continuation, or breakout retest, and commit to taking 10 trades exactly by the rules. No shortcuts, no improvising. At the end of those 10 trades, check your results against the win rate dashboard. You'll see the power of sticking to one system instead of chasing 5. That's what SwiftAlgo is built for. Not just signals, but structure, clarity, and consistency. If you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with discipline, the link is in the description. Add SwiftAlgo today and start trading like someone who's serious about winning.